how to wear two hairs on Roblox mobile. So first, just open up your browser and just search for Roblox and just wait for it to load. Once you're here, just simply click on the menu here on the left side and click on the three dots, and now just simply click on request desktop website right here. So make sure that that is turned on. Once it's done, just go back, and now just simply click on the three lines on the top left corner and go to avatar, and now just wait for it to load. Once you're here, you just simply need to go to head and body. So tap and hold on head and body right here, and it will reveal this one, and just simply click on hair. Once you're here, just pick the first hair that you want to use. So I want to use this hair for my base, and for the second one, what you need to do now is just simply tap and hold on the one that you want. Tap and hold, and this will pop up. You just simply need to click on copy link. Once that's done, just scroll here to advanced, just click on advanced, and now paste it on an empty asset ID bar right there. So paste, click on done, then click on save, and click on save, and wait for it to load. Now as you can see, I am now using two hairs at once, just like so. That's how I basically use or wear two hairs on Roblox mobile.